Right, I've got the rain drip timer set up. Running a test on manual mode right now. Um, I'm gonna have it set for every 24 hours, 10 minutes. And basically, I want the front garden to get a nice little drip for when I leave, when I go out of town. The last time I left, I had some, these guys are bouncing back, but yeah. It was about 100 degrees here in Las Vegas, and basically they need to be watered every day. So supplemental watering for the aloe veras and the petunias. Picked up these guys today, and then also for the succulents, I was thinking of adding another one here, maybe another one here, another one there, and another one there. But for the most part, everyone gets a little bit of a rain drip. Bird of paradise, especially these aloe veras right here. Some of the succulents, but not all of them. Next time I leave, I'm just gonna put all the succulents over there, and they'll get watered manually. This guy doesn't have the rain drip, but this one does, and so does that one right there. That is the drip rate right there. So that for 10 minutes is what it's gonna get. Yeah, as for these guys, can be manually watered from the top, and everything drips down into the bottom. This one will have to be also manually watered. This one has a drip, that one, this one, this one, and this one. So basically everyone over here gets the rain drip, and everyone else, which should be a succulent, will not get the rain drip. Very excited. Bird of paradise shooting another guy out. Another one right there waiting to pop out. But yep, post an Amazon link on the rain drip. It was very annoying to install, but I installed it in about 45 minutes, and I'm using 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 of the rain drip flow restrictors. Maybe I could add a couple more, one over here, one over here, and one over here, and the overage can just drip down on the bottom for a fully automatic watering experience here in my front yard. We are in Las Vegas, and these plants actually did live through the Las Vegas summer, and they did exceptionally well. And that's what it looks like. Go back to the rain drip over here. It takes 2 AA batteries. Gotta clean all that up. 2 AA batteries. Right now it's on the manual mode because I just wanted to see what 10 minutes would look like. Put it on reset. Now it's back on automatic. Every 24 hours it's gonna get 10 minutes, or I can go with the option of going for every 48 hours. I could do 20 minutes, and maybe that might be a better option. We'll see. Thanks for watching. This is my garden. Let me know what you think.